If you're looking to get a refund on TEMU without having to return the item, here's how you can do it. Hi there, it's Lisa from Greet Login and Delete, and I'm here to walk you through the process. First things first, take a look at TEMU's refund policy to ensure your order qualifies. If it does, you're ready to proceed with the steps to obtain your refund without the hassle of returning the item. Open up your TEMU app and make sure you're logged in. Navigate to the bottom of the screen where you'll find various options. Tap on You once in the You section, locate Customer Support and tap on it. Then, at the bottom of the screen, you'll find Contact US, give it a tap. Next, you'll be prompted to type in your query. Type something along the lines of, "Can I get a refund?" and hit Enter. TEMU will then ask you to specify which order you need assistance with. Select the relevant order from your list. You'll then be presented with a list of your orders. Choose the one for which you're seeking a refund. Now, engage in a conversation with TEMU's customer service representative. Clearly explain your reasons for wanting a refund, negotiate if necessary, and if TEMU agrees, you'll receive your refund without having to return the item. And there you have it. That's the process for obtaining a refund on TEMU without returning the item. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to show your support by liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching.